In this clip, we're going to see our driver here T-bone a police officer. And although at first glance it may look like this accident was not preventable, this accident was 100% preventable. So let's take a look and see what could have been done differently to prevent this accident. Right, so there's a lot that went wrong over here. Let's rewind and take a look. First thing right off the bat is that this police officer should not have made this U-turn like this. That was 100% illegal and dangerous. You should always look to make sure that it's clear to do whatever maneuver it is that you're trying to do. This officer clearly did not do that. That's the first mistake. Second mistake is that our driver here is not leaving ample following distance. It's safe for you to leave a minimum of 3-second following distance. Had this driver over here, our driver with the dash cam, left a 3-second following distance, they would have been able to slow down and not run into our police officer. Our driver here is not at fault, but they could have done that to be safer and prevent this accident. And also, the driver over here with the trailer seems like they also didn't leave an ample following distance either. And if you have a trailer, you should leave probably even a 5-second distance, maybe 6-7 second following distance. The heavier your vehicle is, the worse the road conditions are, the colder the weather is, the less visibility there is, you should increase the following distance. At minimum of 3-second following distance. When your vehicle is in peak condition, tires have full tread, the weather is warm, the sun's out, the road is clear, that's when you should leave a minimum of 3-second following distance. But most people leave a half a second, 1 second following distance. And this is what happens. So 100% preventable. The police officer was obviously in the wrong here, but our driver here with the dash cam and the driver with the trailer behind him could have left a good following distance and prevented this from happening to them. So make sure that it's clear before you do any maneuver and leave ample following distance.